Hi, fourth graders. Happy Friday. So, you guys know on Fridays, I like to do a little bit of a creative type project. So, we're going to be building our dream White House. So, we're going to be on this website again. So, click on that website and then click Start the Tour. So, now that we know about the president's responsibilities and what rooms the White House has, we're going to be pretending we are president and designing our dream White House. Remember, you must answer the entire question to get credit. Make sure you explain when asked. So, number one, you're going to pretend like you're the president for all of these. You have the opportunity to build your dream White House. So, we're going to think about the different jobs that the president has and what the White House has now and how you would adapt it to fit your needs and your interests. So, number one, the president needs an office to do work in. The White House has the Oval Office. What would your office be called and what would it look like? So, you can check out the Oval Office if you'd like. Get any inspiration from that if you like the Oval Office. If not, change it. Tell me what you'd want it to look like. What needs to be there? How can you get your job done in there? Two, the White House has many places to have fun. What would you put in your White House to have fun after work? Explain what you would do there. Number three, the White House has many gardens. What would you grow in the gardens? Why? So you can tell me if you have different fruits or vegetables or trees or flowers, what would you like to grow in there and why? And number four, the White House has over 90 workers like chefs, gardeners, plumbers, maids. What worker would you need to have in your house and why? And then for extra credit, you can draw a picture of how your White House would look and be sure to label any important rooms. So you can do that. You can submit it to your teacher on Dojo, or I'm going to see if there's a way I can make it so you can submit it right here, like your specials form. I hope you guys have fun with this. Make sure you reach out if you have any questions, and have a great weekend. We will see you Monday. Goodbye, Adams.